makes my back feel a lot better at the end of the day. I've had 2 back surgeries and it helps out quite a bit. My back doesn't hurt near as bad when I get home. I can actually sit down and relax and not have to move around to try to get comfortable.
I think it had a dramatic effect on my productivity and allowed me to be more productive for a longer period.
Just feel more spry at the end of the day. Like, it's a nice day, you know, you don't feel like, I'm tired, I need to go, let's sit down.
And today when I was bent over, bringing out half a cow, it worked freaking phenomenal, so thank you very much.
I want my back to not hurt. There's no amount of money I'd take to have back pain.
I walked out for break and I was not in pain. Everybody in here, we're all sore, we're all hurting.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what your health is, what your size is, any of those things. But like, for the first time in a long time, I'm not going to be hurting walking out of this building.
I'm really excited about it, man, honestly. I feel like I'm a musician, man. I feel like this is what's going to save me. I've had nothing but back problems.
It just relieves the stress of lifting, going down low, it helps you back up.
But when I take it off, it's like I don't feel tired of it at all. Like I can like move around.
Makes me not as tired at the end of the day, so it helps with the stress of just lifting all day long.
And you're lifting heavy stuff there too, and they'll tell you, 2 people to help you or this to help you. But after a while, your back, your arms, your legs from standing for a long period of time, you are going to hurt. So if you have something that supports your body, it's only going to help the human. It's going to reduce injuries, reduce medical bills. It's something that's a good thing. When you show you care about people, that's what retains people.
And then you can adjust, click it on and off. So if you just drop a piece of paper, you don't need to lift back up too much. You can just release it, go down and get it without needing the assistance. But when you do need it, it stretches and brings you back up.
That's really, I like that.
It hasn't been caught on anything. I thought it'd be caught on the forklift, getting on and off that, but it hasn't.
Get your employers to buy one because it's going to make your life so much more enjoyable, and you won't have that fear of a back injury that'll impact your work life and your personal life.
A lot of people are asking, they're like, I want one too. It's a beautiful thing. You can put me on the commercial.